University ya Kisii na abakori emirimo ase university yo aubare aborokia nigo bagendrete n'umuguru w'emirimo ase rituko rya kabiri na gotebuna mbarwe gikoira na semeremo weke university yategerere na koigwa ibiriro bya boro bochurwa senchera iyo boikirano mapambano bado mapambano aborokia bo bakorawa na Ndima George oyoro murikyo monene bwe union ase university yo nigo batebire buna baganyire ase nga kentambe university ya Kisii tararigereria na koigwa ebiriro byabo nigo nonye nabo atebire buna okonyorwa kwenengo na bigo komento kwenengo ngati yemechanda aborokia university yo bagendrete goetira.
Sadly to note before you is that these people do not have annual increment from the time they were employed, despite the fact that their pay slips read that they are entitled to that annual increment, which is about 4,000. When calculating it and looking at the numbers we have, the university owes them about 7 million for only one term. In terms of graduate, the university owes them about 40 million.
Waigo Dr. Nyona, ojubaigoro moro kiase university yo, nere buna bande ni gate buna, mbali gochu wanchirana koirana asemeremo, weke university yaligereirie amagani yabo.
It's only in Kisii University, where members of staff who are supposed to be getting promotion after 3 years, according to the Kisii University scheme of service, that members among the members here, they have served for over 8 years, no promotion. But interestingly, some members from some quarters who are clandestine, who are related to the members of management, they get promotion the way they want it.
Aborokia bo University ya Kisii aseri tukuria kaberekero bagendrete no mugiro w'emirimo gati y'ebintu kyandani ko bagendrete batebuna goika university yonyale ko bategerera elio mauchikoirana asensemo y'emirimo eneri omosa no mworokia ase university yo
that we are here outside the workstation and we are protecting peacefully, and we are saying this is an information to the public and the management of the university and the council for that matter, that we are not seated proper as lecturers. We are giving a service to this country and we are supposed to be remunerated as our colleagues in other universities.
Andima boigo ni gamo chirio boteneni we university yo asabo kori emeremo batare gokinwe birogo asenga kentambe na gote yabu nambaro baberba gokinwe birogo asenchira yo wanchereria.
We have through our union demanded, requested until we now have decided to down tools. And management should get this and get it clearly. We are not going back to class until our issues are addressed and addressed conclusively.